Hello there and welcome to Vilika's Place. This video is all about making white curtains into a beautiful painting. Here you can see the finished curtains and let's enjoy them for a minute. I used them in my dorm room. So I think let's talk about how to make this project. So first let's take a look at the materials I used. So you will briefly see them on the screen and I will comment some of them. This design was inspired by my favorite clothing brand Desigual. They had this amazing white coat and I had white curtains, so it only makes sense to create something similar. That's always happens with creating stuff. You see something beautiful and then you use it your own way, and the outcome is a whole new piece of art. I'm pretty sure you can make this project with fabric paint, but I didn't have any and I didn't want to invest, so I used acrylic paints, which worked fine. And they are hard to wash out of fabric, which was also perfect for me. I used various colors and also mixed some new ones. So here I'm showing you the paints I used, the colors which I used. I used different brands because I had them and I liked the colors, so that's the main reason why I used them. So after I will show you those colors, we will move on to the fun part of painting the curtains, and I think I will leave you here to enjoy it without me making more blah blahs. And I will come back at the end of the video, so please enjoy! more footage and pictures of finished curtains. I hope you liked this video. If you did, don't forget to like it and subscribe to my channel for more interesting projects. And I hope you're having a great day, and I think that's it. Bye bye.